So that is some of the industrial things that we are doing. And what I want to do next is I just want to step through how to connect the Wi-Fi chip runlinc to your laptop. Okay, so for those of you that have a kit, so who at the moment has a kit?
I have, sir.
So Jimmy, you have a kit. Okay, very good. So maybe you can also do this with your kit. So the other pages, so Jimmy, you can close that page for the truck. Just close that
Okay,
one.
sir. Closed, sir.
Okay, that's good. So Jimmy, I don't know if you have another camera, but if you have the kits near you, then you also need to, and everybody with a kit can try to follow. So if you have one of these boards, then what we should do is this should actually be unplugged. Okay, so this
Yes.
part should be unplugged first. Okay, and then make sure that the Wi-Fi chip is attached. So Dupjay, have you already plugged in people's Wi-Fi chip onto their boards? Or not?
I have seen it together with the stem cell kits.
Okay, so have you, okay. So
It's not connected, sir.
it's not
There is
connected.
the Wi-Fi. Yes.
Okay, that's good. So Dupjay, is this one of the kits that you sent to Jimmy already? Or did Jimmy already have this one, or is it one that you sent recently?
My dad bought it today, sir.
I bought it today.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, from Dupjay, that's good. So this board here has already been set up with a special program to be able to communicate, to talk to the Wi-Fi chip. But the Wi-Fi chip needs to be plugged in. Okay, so the Wi-Fi chip actually needs to be plugged into this connector on the side, and it needs to be plugged in very carefully because these plugs need to be in the middle. You see that there is some gap here and there is some
Yes,
gap
sir.
here, and all of the plugs need to be in the middle. If it is on one side, connected all the way on one side or connected all the way to the other side, then it will not work. It needs to be connected and plugged in the middle like this.
Like this, sir.
Okay, let me see your video more closely. Can you show me again? That looks
Like
good.
this.
Yes, so plug that in. That's it. Press it hard so that it's all the way down. Okay, that looks good. Okay, very good. Okay, so what we want to do now is I want you to plug in this USB,
Yes, sir.
okay, on here, and also you should plug in the other end of your USB onto the computer so that you can see the red LED. You should see a red LED on the top.
Sir, this one,
Okay.
which is like this.
Yes, that's the plug. So plug it into the side here. And the other flat end goes into the computer.
Like this.
That's right. And the other one to the computer.
Yes. Plugged in, sir.
Okay, so do you see a red LED?
Here, sir. It's like this.
Can you show me again? Sorry, I didn't see that. I can't see a red LED on your board. Is there a light? I can't see it.
No, sir.
No light.
No, sir.
Okay. So this end here is plugged in,
Yes, sir.
and the other flat end is plugged into the computer.
Yes,
Just
sir.
make sure it's plugged all the way in properly
It is,
onto the
sir.
computer.
Yes, sir. Let me try a different one.
Okay, try a different connector maybe.
Wait, sir. Let me try. So it's saying USB device not recognized.
Okay, that's okay. Don't worry about that. You can disregard that. That is normal. So everybody take notes. That's actually correct. Okay, it is because the cable is not communicating with the computer. So it's not talking to the computer, but we're going to connect on the Wi-Fi. So you can see the lights now. Is that right? Is there a little light there now?
No, sir.
Still no lights.
No, sir.
Okay. Should be a light like this. Make sure everything is plugged in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is plugged in tight.
It is, sir.
Yeah, it looks like it's plugged in. Oh, maybe you need to push this one more in. You need to push it hard.
Not working, sir. It's just staying in this much.
Okay, that's all right. Maybe it's about the same. Okay, should see a light.
Right.
Okay, we do have a procedure for this too. So we'll tell everyone, we'll send everyone a document, and also Dupche will help. And also Sonam is here as well. I noticed Sonam, can you maybe say hello? You can help some of the group to actually connect their kits later as well.
Sir.
Sure, sir. Hello.
Sir.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, hello Sonam.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Sir. I disconnected and put it here. It just blinked like this, sir. Sir.
Sorry, can you show me again?
Sir, I tried it and I have some LED lights on, sir.
Okay, that's good.
I plugged it in a new one and it just blinked once, sir. Light.
Just blinked once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe it's the connector on yours. You need to make sure the connector is plugged in on the computer and also on. Okay, needs to be all plugged in. All right, that's good.
Okay,
So
sir.
I'll show you the steps, and then we'll also send a document, and we can help the others as well. So the next steps after it's plugged in, I'll just run through it. Okay, the next steps is actually to go to the settings on the computer. So on the Windows 10, it would actually be on the settings. So I'm clicking settings. And we have network and internet settings. So we click on network and internet. And
Okay.
then we actually need to go to mobile hotspot. I'm doing this quickly, but like I said, there will be a document and some help.
Yes, sir. Mobile hotspot.
And also you need to then change the network name to runlinc. And you need to change the network password to runlinc 1234. So
Sir,
that is
it is.
information on the document.
So it's a bit different, sir. Underneath the Wi-Fi, there is share my internet connection over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth only, sir. And there is network name, network password, and network band, and then there is edit.
Okay, so mobile hotspot. You have mobile hotspot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have network name and network password. Can you press edit if it's not runlinc
Yes.
or runlinc 1234. So you
Okay,
can
sir.
press, when you press edit, then you can change it to runlinc and
Okay, sir.
runlinc 1234.
Okay, sir.
Name and password.
Did it, sir.
Okay, that's good. And once you have done that, make sure it's all lowercase, not uppercase. It's actually important
Yes, sir.
that this is all lowercase and there's no space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you can turn on the mobile hotspot. So over here, you can turn it on. I'm not going to turn mine on because I already have a hotspot which that name. So, but
Sir.
if you turn yours on, then it should say hotspot on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and also you might see after a few seconds, you should see one device connected, which is actually an ESP device, which is your Wi-Fi chip.
Sir, they're saying device connected, and they're saying you're sharing your connection over 5 GHz network band. The network might not appear on devices that can only connect over the 2.4 GHz band.
Okay, this device can only connect on the 2.4 GHz band. So you're going to need to turn off your mobile hotspot and
Okay,
change
sir.
it so that if you can change the band so that it's on 2.4, make sure
Okay.
everybody is on connected to 2.4. This is a 2.4 device. Okay.
Okay, sir. 2.4 done, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
and then turn it on again.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, that's good.
It's 0 out of 8, sir. Oh, one got connected, sir.
One got connected. What does it say? Is it an ESP device?
Yes, sir. It's ESP down-17 F91F.
Okay, that's good. That means that your Wi-Fi chip is actually connected
Oh.
to your hotspot.
Sir, the
That's-
LED came, sir. It's blue.
Okay, that's good. Okay, all right. So you have a different Wi-Fi chip. It means if it's blue, then it means it's connected. So that's good. Okay,
Yes.
some of these Wi-Fi chips are from different manufacturers. Some are red and some are blue. But blue connected is excellent, very good. On the top of your Wi-Fi chip, you probably have a different number than mine. What number do you have? Because I have 96. Which number?
186.
You have 186.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now what you need to do is you need to go to your browser,
Yes, sir.
and on the top line of your browser, you need to
Yes.
type in the numbers 192.168.137. Okay, 137 is actually means that's from your laptop. And then the last number is your number. So my number would be 96,
Okay, sir.
but your number would be the one which is on the top of your chip.
Okay, sir. I did, sir.
So you typed in what was your number again? 180.
186.
186. So you typed in 186. Okay,
Yes.
and then you put in a slash, and
Oh,
then
wait, sir.
control.
I mistakenly wrote it in the down one.
Okay, so make sure it's on the top bar of your browser, not in the search. Okay, it won't work.
So it was 192.168, right, sir? The first one.
That's right. Can you see my video? 192.168.137 dot,
Yes.
and then
Yes, I
your
wrote.
chip
Right.
number.
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
wrote.
then slash control dot HTML. Okay, like